This is how our family primes our black Berkey elements with the Berkey Prime Rite. This is usually reserved for faucets that aren't as compatible with the priming button. So let me show you how it works. So depending on your faucet, we're just using a standard one here, so it'll be a little bit easier than the wider kind, but you just get the Prime Rite and you fit it on, just like this. Now, one thing you want to be careful of is just turn the water on with a nice little stream, just like we did with the priming button. The reason you want to do this is because if you turn the water on too much, it'll bulge out here and water will squirt out, and it just won't give you the correct priming effect to get your filters ready. Okay, so all you do now is get your authentic black Berkey element, and see the hole right there? That's where the stem of the element will go, just like that. Now, we will turn the water on, but again, just a stream. And as you can see, the water is already beading out. You want to do this the same amount of time as you did with the priming button. So there you have it, 60 seconds of priming with the Prime Rite, and it was really, really simple. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box below.